We all dream of living a long, healthy life. While genetics plays a significant role, our dietary choices can have a profound impact on our longevity. Here are 10 diet hacks that can help you extend your lifespan and improve your overall well-being. 1. Prioritize whole unprocessed foods. Whole unprocessed foods are packed with nutrients and fiber, while processed foods often contain excessive amounts of unhealthy additives, sugars, and fats. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and lean proteins as the foundation of your diet. Minimize your consumption of packaged foods that contain artificial ingredients. Additional benefits include improved digestion, as whole foods are generally easier to digest and can help prevent constipation. Enhanced nutrient absorption is another perk, since the nutrients in whole foods are more readily absorbed by your body compared to processed foods. And of course, weight management. Whole foods can help you feel fuller for longer, leading to reduced calorie intake and weight loss. 2. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, sodium, and artificial additives. They can contribute to weight gain, chronic diseases, and a shorter lifespan. Read food labels carefully and choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Cook more meals at home to have better control over ingredients. 3. Control portion sizes. Eating excessive amounts of food, even healthy foods, can lead to weight gain and health problems. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes. Be mindful of your hunger and fullness cues. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for various bodily functions, including digestion, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination. Aim to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. If you find plain water boring, try adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. Choose healthy fats. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can support heart health and brain function. Replace unhealthy fats, such as saturated and trans fats, with healthier options. Limit added sugars. Excessive added sugar consumption can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other health problems. Be aware of hidden sugars in packaged foods and beverages. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Practice intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, can help regulate metabolism, reduce inflammation, and promote weight loss. Experiment with different fasting protocols, such as the 16-8 method, that's 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating, or the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 days. Additional benefits include improved insulin sensitivity, which can help your body use insulin more effectively, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Enhanced autophagy is another benefit. This cellular process helps remove damaged cells and promote tissue repair. There is also potential for lifespan extension, as some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may contribute to increased longevity. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or lifestyle changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your eating habits and overall health. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for hormone regulation, metabolism, and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you fall asleep easily. Prioritize sunlight exposure and limit blue light. Sunlight helps regulate circadian rhythms, promotes vitamin D production, and can improve mood. Excessive blue light exposure from screens can disrupt sleep and contribute to eye strain. Spend time outdoors in natural sunlight, especially in the morning. Reduce screen time before bed and use blue light blocking glasses. By incorporating these diet hacks into your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and potentially extend your lifespan. Remember, consistency is key. Small, sustainable changes can have a big impact over time. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Share this video, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.